When the guy that come up to the top, they will get the bamboo guard to collect the coconut syrup and get the coconut syrup boiled in the charcoal stove. Yeah, handmade DIY for the stove. This is the finishing of the coconut sugar. We use the coconut sugar to make the main dish and the dessert. Yeah, the taste is very nice, right? Like a candy.
Yeah, it's really sweet. Very nice.
Big one. I love this. And the coconut syrup they boil in the pan 3 hours to drain the water. Yeah, after finishing they can get the coconut caramel, the coconut syrup caramel around 50% from 100% syrup. Yeah. When it's almost finished, they will put the bamboo bucket to protect when it heats. And after finish, they will make it cool to be like a caramel and make the shape. This bowl to make the shape of the sugar to make it freeze. Yeah.
Too sweet.
Yeah, I love this. Bring it with ice. And we turn. Okay. After we get the meat, we mix the meat with the cold water or warm water and we squeeze. Yeah, to get the coconut milk. Try. You can try. Wanna try? Yeah. Maybe not.
그래서 묻어 있어. 그래, 뒷거거리 이거 데워레를?
Oh, you can do. Yeah, sure. You got a new job. Yeah. You wanna try?